Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today we will be teaching you a new word of the week!
I like it!
The word of the week is snake! Yay! A snake is a long, limbless reptile that has no eyelids, a short tail, jaws that are capable of expanding really big, sharp fangs, and forked tongues. Snakes have long bodies that are covered in overlapping scales, and snakes can be many different colors. Snakes also have sharp fangs, and some snakes even have a poisonous bite. However, most snakes are not poisonous, and those snakes that do have venom use it primarily to kill and subdue their prey rather than for self-defense. Some snakes have venom that is potent enough to cause painful bites to humans. Non-poisonous snakes either swallow their prey alive or kill them by squeezing them. Because of their narrow bodies, snakes have paired organs, such as kidneys, that appear one in front of the other instead of side by side like humans. Snakes range in size from 4 inches long to about 23 feet long. Snakes are found on every continent on Earth except Antarctica. There are even sea snakes that live in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. There are many islands where snakes do not live, like Ireland, Iceland, and New Zealand. You can also use snake in a sentence like this. The snake slithered along the ground, poking at its tongue, looking for food. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Snake! If you liked our video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching, kiddos. Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week.